Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by verifying power and grounding. You want a clean reference. Unplug any secondary power or charger and run on battery or isolated supply to see if hum disappears. Once done, check chassis ground continuity with the aux ground pin. A missing ground often introduces 50/60 Hz mains hum. Make sure cable shields are intact and connectors fully seated. Keep the Bluetooth transmitter at least 1 meter from noisy AC equipment to rule out electromagnetic coupling before deeper fixes. Next, focus on the signal chain. This is where most interference couples in. Swap in balanced or better shielded audio cables and add ferrite cores on power and data lines to suppress RF-induced buzz. If you have multiple devices sharing different earths, introduce a ground loop isolator or a transformer-based die to break loop currents. Also check Bluetooth module firmware and reduce transmit power if adjustable, because strong RF near analog paths can demodulate as audible hum. Finish by methodically testing. Reconnect each component individually to identify the culprit. This isolates whether the hum is in the transmitter, receiver, cabling, or power. Once isolated, adjust sample rates or codecs, since mismatch or resampling can produce low-frequency artifacts. If everything else fails, try a known good USB audio adapter or replace the Bluetooth module. Hardware faults sometimes masquerade as interference. If you still hear hum, ensure the room wiring and outlet grounding are tested. One robust earth solves many issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.